The NSR has sounded the all-clear notice. The mysterious man is being sent to a dome really far away. Best regards, the NSR unit. Thank you. The RSN has issued a civil danger warning. Please stay calm and do not panic. The mysterious man somehow escaped the containment dome and is now on the run again. We advise you to lock your doors, barricade your windows and stay quiet. This entity is not human, so it is useless using weapons to harm it. There is still no scientifically a way to kill it, but you can stun it by pepper spraying its face. Using a stun gun could not work. If you don't have a pepper spray, don't worry because the RSN units will deliver you one.
Ah!